Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys all the books that I used from my first to third year. Yes, final year books will not be included because I'm just now in final year. It doesn't make sense if I share about my books already. So it's going to be the books I used from first to third year. Some of them are PDFs, some of them are books that I owned. I just want to put a few disclaimers out here. I have mentioned standardized books and books that I have used as well. I would recommend you to read through the books, like borrow it from someone, read through it, or go through sample PDFs on the internet before purchasing it, because what might suit my studying might not suit your studying. So choose based on reading the book without buying the books blind. I'm going to be leaving timestamps for everything, so without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to go according to year wise, and starting from first year. In first year you have 4 subjects, which is anatomy, physiology, biochemistry and oral histology. So I'm going to start off with anatomy. For anatomy, I used BD Chaurasia head and neck anatomy, which also had brain anatomy in it, but I think the newer editions have brain anatomy as a different book, so then you might have to buy 2 books. I'm not sure, please cross check how the recent editions are. So the second book that I used for anatomy itself is there is a portion in anatomy which will refer to embryology, human embryology, for which there is only one book that I know of, and that is Inderbir Singh. That is the book that I used. Sometimes they might suggest you to get a handbook of anatomy, general anatomy handbook. I think it's a very small book. It comes around 250 to 300, I'm not sure. You can try to get a PDF of that book. I don't think it's necessary to buy that book. The next subject that I'm going to go into is physiology. I used straight up only one book, which is Indu Purana. The standard high level books are Guyton and all that, but I just got to read Guyton once in the library. But I personally used Indu Purana book of physiology for dental students. I think you can even use for MBBS. It doesn't matter. Both of them have just amazing content inside it. There are shortened versions of these textbooks for like last minute preparation, but I completely studied only from Indu Purana, so I would suggest you only. The third subject is biochemistry. So biochemistry for BDS is kind of tricky because very restricted amount of portions is there in biochemistry, and in the books there will be just too much for you to understand. So I will suggest you go through the PPTs that your college gives you, the notes that your college gives you. You can always refer to Satyanarayanan, that is a handbook of biochemistry or book of biochemistry, I'm not sure, but it's by Satyanarayanan, and I think there's also a book by Vasudevan. So both of these books are good if you want like a really book, but I wouldn't suggest you to get it as a book. You can use it as a PDF. The last will be oral histology. For oral histology, 90% of the content was from my faculty's notes. The book for dental anatomy, okay, which I basically forgot. There is one for oral histology, which is by Orbins. So I did use Orbins only before the exam. It's a standardized textbook. It's really good, but I personally went 90% with the college notes, PPTs, and then 10% of Orbins. And dental anatomy was a separate book, so I studied from that as well. Moving on to second year subjects, there are again 4 subjects over here: pharmacology, microbiology, pathology and dental materials. So starting off with pharmacology, I will only suggest Tripathi. I studied from the first from Tripathi. There are other authors, but I wasn't personally comfortable reading any of that. I loved Tripathi from the first. I used Tripathi for dental students, but medical students also works. I couldn't get my hand on medical students. All my books were hand-me-down books, so whatever I had, I just had to use it. So I had dental for BDS, so I used that book, and it was really good. I will only suggest you read from that. The second subject is microbiology. So the standardized textbook for my microbiology is by Anantha Narayanan, which I did not use because it was so complicated. I did not understand a word. I personally like microbiology, and I personally love reading from complicated books, but Anantha Narayanan was just not my cup of tea. So the book that I had with me was from Baweja, and Baweja was actually decently good. And it had the information that I needed, plus I went through the PPTs that my college gave me and all that. So for pathology, the standardized textbook is Robbins, and I use that. It's a very complicated book. It has a lot of information in it. It is a really nice book. I personally studied from it until the last moment, but a lot of people from my class followed this author called Harsh Mohan, which I personally wasn't a big fan of, so I did not choose. Again, if you have confusion between these two authors, try going through PDFs or reading from your friends, like if they own those books, and check how it works for you before you actually purchase the book. The last is Dental Materials. So I had Phillips as well as the next author that I'm going to be using. The standardized textbook is Phillips Dental Materials. Again, it's very complicated for second year level. When you don't understand anything about the materials, it's kind of complicated. So the next book is John F. Manapalil. So you can always refer both these books in case you are confused as to not knowing that you can have I had both these books. So I saw certain questions from Philip, certain questions from John F. Manapalil. So yeah. So for third year, we have, starting from General Medicine, the standardized book is General Medicine by Davidson. I had the PDF of this book, so I had that as a PDF, and I had the book version of Chugg, General Medicine by Chugg, and that book was decent enough, not to the level of Davidson, but it had the information that was needed. So I combined both of these and I studied. For general surgery, I have 3 authors. The book that I used is Manipal Manual of Surgery, which was good. I liked it. The second book is SRB. This half of my classmates used. I did not like it much. Some of it is similar, like with Manipal, but SRB wasn't my favorite, so I did not choose that book. I read from Manipal. And the third book, which is the standardized book, is Bailey and Love. I had the PDF of that book, so the questions that I wasn't very satisfied with in Manipal, I ended up reading from Bailey and Love. So the last subject for third year is oral pathology, and the standardized textbook for this is Schaefer's or Allen and Neville. So I chose Schaefer's. I really liked it. I studied till the end with Schaefer's and the college notes and PPTs and stuff like that. So that's how I managed. And there is a shortened version, I think, by Manjunath. I will not suggest it, but apparently it's good for last minute studying. A lot of people in my class again chose Manjunath to study, and they still scored marks, but I would tell you it is always good to stick with standardized textbooks because they have fancy words which will fetch you more marks. So those are all the books that I used for my first 3 years. I didn't want to make this video really long, so I will probably add in tips and tricks to study in the next video. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you have any other doubts regarding these books, you can let me know in the comments below and I will answer them for you. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.